Hey guys, this is your second lesson for comparing salaries. And in your Google Slides, it's going to have a link for you to go to this website. It's the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. And on this website, you're able to find information about all different kinds of careers, which is pretty cool. And so this is going to take you to the link is going to take you exactly to this website. It looks like a lot of stuff, and it is. So the easiest thing to do is come down here. You're going to be picking 3 careers that you're interested in, and you're going to try to find their page and find out more information about them, like their salary, what level of education you have to have, if you have to have any prior experience for that kind of job. And so I'm just going to show you the easiest way to go find your job. So, for example, if you just wanted to be a middle school teacher, you would come down here. There's an index. There's always one right here that's like a featured occupation for the day. And it might even change every time you come to the website. And there's different ways you can search. The easiest thing is to come here, be as specific as you can. So, like, if you wanted to be a teacher, but you're not really sure what grade you want to teach, just pick one. Say elementary, middle school, high school, or maybe you want to be a college professor. Be really specific, and that's going to be the easiest way to find it. So, I'm going to go to middle school teacher so I can show you what it looks like. So, I'm going to click on letter M, and it's going to pop up. There's so many options. Um, I've already clicked down here. So middle school teachers, there's middle school PE teachers, there's counselors, there's principals, there's specific to science. But middle school teachers is a good place to start if that's what one of the careers you want to try. So I would click on middle school teachers. It's going to tell me what their median pay is like per year. And so median pay, it's a middle, it's an average for the US. And so some teachers may make more than that, some may make less. You have to have a bachelor's degree, that's the entry level education. Work experience, you don't have to have any experience. You don't have to have on job training, although we do training all the time, but that's a little different the way they phrase it here. Number of jobs in 2018, there were 615,700 middle school teachers in the US. So that's kind of crazy. Job outlook, 3%. That just means that's like how many more middle school teachers are they needing every year? So, like, how is the job growing? They don't build that many new schools every year across the nation. So, that's why it's kind of a lower. And then employment change, I'm not even sure exactly what that means. Projected numeric change in employment from 2018 to 2028. Oh, okay. So in the next 10 years, they expect to need that many more middle school teachers. So anyway, that's kind of a cool statistic. You can read about the job. So if you're not even sure what you want to do, maybe just start researching some. And this kind of tells you like just some basic stuff about it. I could click on each one of these and just get more information about being a middle school teacher. I already know a lot about it. So I'm not going to click any of those other links, but what you're going to be doing is picking 3 jobs that you're interested in, and then you are going to be gathering data from here. You're not going to do all of these, so pay attention. When you go back to your Google slide, it's going to look like this. Put the job that you selected. So for me, I would write middle school teacher because I want to know what you researched. Then you're going to tell me the median pay. That's from here. Okay. Then monthly pay, that's not on the website. I want you to calculate that. So if you know the annual or the yearly pay, divide it by 12 to see how much you would make per month. Typical entry level education, that is on the website. So for a teacher, they have to have a bachelor's degree. So I would type that in here. Work experience needed, they don't have to have any. And then number of jobs in 2018. So that's this number. There were 615,700. So I would fill all of those answers in. Then you'll go to your next one, pick a new career here. fill in your data. Next one, third career, make sure you tell me what the career was that you picked. Then there's just 3 simple little questions about your careers. Okay, so then once you're done with that, you're gonna just submit, and that will be your assignment for today. I hope that you enjoy this assignment, and let me know if you have any questions or need any help finding a specific career that you're looking for. There might be a way to search. I haven't done a whole lot of, oh yeah, there is. So like if you're searching for something specific, you can also try typing it in there and see if it'll come up with, oh, that looks like it kind of takes you, that may not be the best way to search it. Maybe it is. Okay, so if I just wanted to do architects, let's see if that gets me there. Yeah, so there's a summary. Okay, so you can search. It's just now you've seen it kind of looks weird. So let's say I wanted to be a dentist. It's probably going to come up with several different ones like a dental hygienist, a dental assistant. What are you looking for? So just kind of pay attention to what you're clicking. And then once you get there, make sure it's really what you were looking for before you type it in on the Google slide. So I hope you have fun browsing around on there. I think it's kind of neat to see all the different careers. There's so many options out there. So just try to narrow it down to 3 that you're kind of interested in. Anyway, I hope you're having a good week, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks.